Right, we are ready. Come out and get your presents. Eli, you're the one on the left. Those are yours.
Yeah, look at that.
And that one is Jacob's.
Whoa.
Jacob, have at it.
Okay, boys, go ahead.
Jakey might need a little help.
Let's open our present. Let's open. Rip it. You do it. Rip it. Get it out. Wow!
Yeah.
What is it? Pull it here. Whoa! Pull that thing from. Whoa, Jakey. Whoa! Keep pulling.
Whoa, what is that?
What?
Oh, look at this, Jakey.
Whoa.
Look at that Star Wars guy.
Let's get the paper off.
Oh, look, there's a door. What's this one, Eli?
Eli, show me. What did you get?
He showed you your his. Oh my. Oh my. What is that? It's a spaceship. Open it up for it.
Ready? Open this right here. Pull this up. Pull up. Now pull that out. Pull. You can do it.
Look, Jakey. Look.
Oh. It's okay. You can keep pull it up. You just gotta get the tape off of it. This is Alpha. Oh, what is that?
Turn the engine. Turn this thing. I think it said to get these out. Those are the instructions.